Good morning, sir. Are you Matthew Shane Wadsworth? And Mr. Wadsworth, in cause number 24, DCCR 1286, you're charged with a second-degree felony offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. That's from May 4th of 2024. It's my understanding that the District Attorney's Office has either already or plans to file notice that you have at least one prior felony offense conviction. If that's true, that you have a prior felony that's not a state jail, a regular felony, then what that means, if you go to trial, your punishment could be enhanced to that of a first-degree felony, which is between 5 years and up to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand? You don't? What do you not understand? You don't understand any of it? Okay. You've got to understand some of it.
I'm sorry.
What? Go ahead. What you were going to say?
Just after extensive MHMRA history, I don't believe that any of this is even really happening.
Well, it is happening. You're here and you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Do you understand that you're charged with it? I'm not saying you did it. I'm saying that's what you're charged with.
Sorry, babe. I'm not trying to
You don't understand how you're charged with it? So the district attorney's office, there was a case filed. They took it to the grand jury. Grand jury said they think there's enough evidence that you intentionally or knowingly or recklessly caused bodily injury to Merlin Richard by striking Merlin Richard in the head with a bat. That's what you're charged with. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? You don't have to like it. You don't have to agree with it. I just need to know if you understand it. I mean, you're here saying today.
So somebody's saying that I hit them with a bat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I understand that somebody's saying that.
Right. So you understand that somebody said that you hit them with the bat, and so charges were filed. You're saying through Mr. Rojas and what I've received here on my computer that you didn't do that, and you want to have a trial and let a jury decide whether or not that person's telling the truth or not if you did that. Is that all correct? You understand that? And there's no okay, I guess. I need to know that you understand before I set your case for trial, what you're charged with, what someone is saying that you did.
Okay, I understand somebody's saying this thing.
Okay. And the district attorney's office has made an offer, if you wanted to plead guilty and say, yeah, I did do that, for a 5-year term in prison. But I have here on the computer something that you've signed with Mr. Rojas that says you don't want to take that 5 years, that you don't agree that you did that to someone, and you want to have a jury trial. Is that what you want to do? Well, that's not the question that I asked you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Say it one more time.
The question that I asked you is, there's an offer of 5 years in prison if you agreed that you did this and you wanted to plead guilty.
I understand you now.
Okay, but I have something here that says you don't want to take that offer, that you want to plead not guilty and let a jury decide whether or not you did this or not. Is that correct? Okay. Mr. Rojas, have you had issues like this?
Judge, no, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Then what I'm going to do, Mr. Wadsworth, is place your case on the trial docket, and we'll get it ready for trial. Mr. Rojas has been appointed to represent you. He's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him and appoint another attorney today who could begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? All right. Then Mr. Rojas will remain your attorney, and he will begin preparation for trial. All right. You can go back with the bailiff.